Hello and welcome to Odds and Monster. In this video, we're bringing you our 9 best drag and drop page builders for WordPress in 2019. Topping off our list at number 1 is Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is a great choice because it's user-friendly, fully responsive, Gutenberg ready, and compatible with just about every WordPress theme. Beaver Builder also comes with more than 30 professionally designed templates, so you can build your page even faster by replacing the sample content with your own. Number 2 is Divi. The Divi Builder is a popular drag and drop page builder that lets you preview your design as you build. Everything is customizable using the Divi Builder plugin. Colors, fonts, sizing, spacing, and you can create custom page layouts. Number 3 is Elementor. Elementor is the first free and open source advanced page builder for WordPress. It's fast, easy to use, and beginner friendly. It's a visual drag and drop page builder so you can see your changes live as you make them. You just drag and drop widgets to where you want them. Number 4 is Visual Composer Website Builder. Visual Composer is a great tool for beginners and developers looking for an easy way to customize the entire look of their site. With Visual Composer, you can easily add stylish backgrounds like parallax, gradient, slideshow, carousel, and video. Use flexible rows and columns to create grid layouts, and you can even edit your logo, menus, header, footer, sidebars, and more. Number 5 is Themify Builder. Themify Builder is a simple, reliable, and free drag and drop page builder for WordPress that you can use to build simple pages. It lets you edit your pages from the back end or front end, but in both interfaces you can move modules around easily and customize them fully. Number 6 is Site Origin Page Builder. Site Origin's Page Builder is a popular free WordPress page builder with more than 1 million active installs. Even though the live editing isn't comparable to the other page builders on our list, the builder is still a good free plugin that makes it easy to build a responsive page. Number 7 is Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is a page builder that's made for conversion-focused websites with elements like call to action buttons, countdown timers, lead generation forms, and testimonial boxes. With Thrive Architect, you can quickly create a homepage, sales page, blog posts, or anything else. Number 8 is WP Page Builder. WP Page Builder is free and lets you create a great site easily without using any code. The plugin is super lightweight, so it's not going to slow down your system. And last but not least, number 9 is the Live Composer Site Builder. Live Composer Site Builder is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress that includes more than 30 content modules like accordion post boxes, sliders, galleries, and comments, to name a few. Since Live Composer is so easy to use and has front-end editing, it's really easy to create and customize your own templates. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.